very good afternoon. I'm Kritsween and we take you through the latest situation that is developing still in the state of Punjab. All's not well in the Punjab Congress. Now sources say that Captain Amrinder Singh dialed Sonia Gandhi and Kamal Nath, both of them, and has offered to resign. Let me quickly go across to Amandeep, my colleague, as he's tracking all the latest developments from outside Captain's residence. Amandeep, what are you picking up? We saw how a lot of those supporters of Captain Amrinder Singh have started reaching his residence. What is on the agenda? Because, you know, Sidhu camp has organized a meeting to replace Captain without keeping him in the loop, and this has angered Captain Amrinder Singh. He says, as per sources, enough is enough.
Well, exactly, Kritsween, and even the captain has conveyed the message to all his camp MLAs to reach at his residence at 2 o'clock. And in fact, his camp MLAs was somewhere down to their own constituencies and started traveling from there to Chandigarh to meet captain before CLP meeting. This was the message was given clearly by Captain Amrinder Singh. And in fact, his staff and movement is already started outside Captain Amrinder Singh's residence, where I can show you the visuals as well. Just because now the situation is actually very tough for the Congress party. On one side, the Congress High Command and the entire Congress party is trying to facilitate the Navjot Singh Sidhu.
All right. You know, I'm going to have to interrupt you there. Arnab Goswami joining us on this broadcast. Arnab, lot of developments taking place, but one thing is very clear as per sources. Captain Amrinder Singh is upset. He feels humiliated. He says enough is enough.
Amrinder Singh is quitting. He is going to go straight to the governor's house after the meeting with the MLAs and submit his resignation as chief minister. I'm not sure whether he will still remain a member of the Congress party, likely to do so, but I can confirm the news that Amrinder Singh will quit. He will formally quit around 4 p.m. today. He will be quitting as chief minister at 4 p.m. today. Right after the meeting with the MLAs, he will go to the governor's house and put in his papers as chief minister of Punjab. It's a massive crisis that has hit the Congress party. It's all over for the Congress party. Their biggest leader in Punjab, the Chief Minister of Punjab, is resigning at 4 p.m. today. I can confirm this. First on the public, 4 p.m. Amrinder Singh is quitting.
This is big. 4 p.m. Captain Amrinder Singh to quit. First channel to get this. Arnab, this is huge. You know, the tallest Congress leader in Punjab.
Yes. Yeah. The tallest Congress leader in Punjab, he is saying enough is enough. The Congress party is showing no remorse. They have humiliated me. They have insulted me. And Navjot Singh Sidhu is running things in a way that are unconceivable. And this is not the deal that I had set in for. And he's going to meet the MLAs. And I can confirm to you that a furious Amrinder Singh is driving straight to the governor's house after the meeting with the MLAs and submitting his resignation as the Chief Minister of Punjab. It's a massive crisis that has now hit the Congress party. They don't know how to react to this great situation. This is breaking first here on Republic. Chief Minister of Punjab, Amrinder Singh, quitting at 4 p.m. today.
All right, all eyes on that announcement, Arnab. But one thing is clear. He's trying to now say that Navjot Singh Sidhu has had it his way for far too long.
No, there is no possibility of any. There is no possibility of any reconciliation now, unless the Vadra Gandhis and the Congress High Command leadership comes down. There is some kind of a rapprochement. There is going to be no change. He is putting in his papers. Well, it's not told the rest of the media, but I have deep contacts, and I'm telling you, it's all over. Amrinder Singh is putting in his papers, and there is going to have to be a new hunt for a new Chief Minister of Punjab, and this is all going to happen very, very soon. Right now, 4 p.m. Amrinder Singh is quitting. I do not think there is any immediate solution that anyone can have right now, unless there's going to be an outreach by the Congress party. It has to happen in the next 1 hour, otherwise he's quitting at 4 p.m.
Arnab, so far they failed to intervene, and even when they have, it's yielded no results. They've called so many leaders to the national capital, including Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Nothing has changed so far.
No, there is no way. There is nothing that can be done now. I'm just going to give the breaking news on the Hindi channel. I'm going to come back to you. in just a minute. But this is now, either he's thrown in the towel, and what he's saying is, you have got now about 2 hours to react to this. Unless the Congress party does its outreach in the next half an hour, it's all over. It's all over. And I know that there are channels that are copying this news now that we are putting it out in our channel. But the fact of the matter is over. Amrinder Singh quitting at 4 o'clock today. First on Republic. Thank you.
Yes. Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami getting us the biggest political news of the day from Punjab. Captain Amrinder Singh all set to quit at 4 p.m. Amandeep is also continuously with us with this breaking development. Super scoop, Amandeep. Captain to resign at 4 p.m. Republic getting it first.
Well, exactly, Christine. We are the first channel to broke this news that Captain is now going to quit at 4 p.m. And with the resignation of Captain Amrinder Singh, everything would be over for the Congress party in Punjab. Everything, just because it was a time in 2017 when the Congress party fought the election on the face of the Captain. It was not the Congress make the government. It was the Captain's government in Punjab which came into the power in 2017. Again, it was the Captain's face which the Congress party always put ahead before getting its own brand. Now, if the Captain stepped down as a chief minister from the Punjab, so now the Congress game is over from Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu and the other leaders cannot take the lead in Punjab to this upcoming 2022 elections. And this is a very big development that we are breaking right now, that at 4 p.m. Captain Amrinder Singh is going to resign after facing so much humiliation from the High Command, from the party, just because the entire High Command is now trying to facilitate Navjot Singh Sidhu and his camp. Every single demand of Navjot Singh Sidhu is being accepted, is being implemented, is being materialized. And the Captain Amrinder Singh, who was a proved Congress party leader, who was a loyalist of Gandhi family, who was a staunch stalwart of Congress party, he was just brushed aside like anything. He was just keep separate from every single important development in the Punjab Congress. Being a chief minister, he's supposed to receive the Congress observers who are coming from the Delhi to Chandigarh, Ajay Makhan, Harish Rawat and Harish Chaudhary. But Navjot Singh Sidhu is ahead of Captain Amrinder Singh to receive him. Such kind of humiliations Captain was facing from the past long time, since the Sidhu raised his voice against Captain Amrinder Singh. So now it's all over. It's tussle, and even Congress has started disappearing from the Punjab political scenario after the resignation of Captain Amrinder Singh at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. would be the time when the Congress has to face the biggest drawback in the Punjab Congress, just because Punjab was the first state when the only Congress party, only ruled by the Congress, when the entire nation was covered by the BJP. Punjab was the first state, and Captain was the first leader who bring the Congress party into the power in Punjab in assembly elections. And after that, so many states led by followed the line also. But now Congress has just forget everything. Congress forget the leadership, proved leadership of Captain Amrinder Singh. So now let's wait and watch. The fresh development in this entire scenario, Christine, is that 3 ministers has already reached at the residence of Captain Amrinder Singh, and even Captain can reach any time from now, just because he has started from his farmhouse.
So 3 ministers, so far 3 ministers have reached Captain Amrinder Singh's residence. Let me bring in Niranjan as well into this conversation. Niranjan, only 3 ministers have reached Captain's residence so far, but the biggest political news break of the day, he's all set to resign at 4 p.m.
Yes, and all channels are beginning to break it now. All channels are beginning to break that story now. We told you this this morning. In fact, Arnab broke the story when we told you that Captain Amrinder had called Sonia Gandhi, Kamal Nath, and said that he would be resigning. He gave his ultimatum, and Republic TV is now breaking. Arnab getting the scoop on resignation at 4 p.m. All channels now following Republic TV news break on Punjab. We told you that Captain Amrinder had issued the ultimatum. He had told the Congress party, Sonia Gandhi and also Kamal Nath, that enough is enough, and that he's been watching what's been going on for the last few months as far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned. He's been waiting, watching, and he's told Sonia Gandhi And also, he has also told Sonia Gandhi and Kamal Nath that enough is enough. Both of them cannot be in the party and one of them will have to resign. And Captain Amrinder has said that he will offer to resign. We have a confirmation. Arnab broke that story a few seconds back that Captain Amrinder is going to meet the governor, and all channels you will see that all channels are beginning to follow Republic TV on the story right now and leading the agenda. Leading the agenda this Super Saturday. We're hearing that at 4 p.m. Captain Amrinder will meet the governor. This is after the meeting, and he will be meeting the governor and tendering his resignation. As far as Captain Amrinder is concerned, he's been complaining to Sonia Gandhi about the humiliation, mostly sponsored and planned by the camp of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Aishwarya Kapoor is also joining us. Let me go across to him. Aishwarya, back-to-back breakings and news breaks on the story. This morning we said that he's offered resignation. We are told that at 4 p.m. he will go and resign.
Absolutely, Niranjan, and this is not he said that he has already offered, and now we have this information that at 4 p.m. he's going to resign. So it's clear that Captain is not going to face this anymore. He has communicated this, and this is happening prior to the CLP meeting because he knows that what has transpired in National Capital against him. He knows that how the Congress leadership has acted against him. The CLP meeting being called without the knowledge or without the authority of the CLP leader who was Captain Amrinder Singh. And now the Punjab Chief Minister, the senior most Congress leader at this present time, is going to resign as the Chief Minister, and also what we are being told, leave the Congress party, and that's going to be very, very important. And that's it. And yes. Back to you.
Aishwarya, in fact, Arnab had all the details a few minutes back, and we broke that. In fact, the Sidhu camp is already celebrating. They're thanking Rahul Gandhi for what is now turning out to be this huge humiliation. Let's get those details as well, Aishwarya. What is the plan of the game plan of Navjot Singh Sidhu camp? What are they planning? Because before the elections, you're trying to basically unseat and humiliate the tallest leader.
Niranjan, what they claim to be is their victory. Only time will tell, because no Congress leader can stand today and say that Congress is going to be benefited by Congress is going to be benefited by Captain who is removed as a sitting Chief Minister 3 months, 4 months, 5 months prior to the state going to polls. And whoever thinks so is politically naive. And that's the problem. The Congress leadership is unable to decipher the way to handle the situation. We've seen a transition in the state of Gujarat as well. But there is a different state needs to transpire. And these are two different political parties, and that's a smooth transition. You have to change the leadership, do it smoothly. And that's exactly what Captain was asking for. Captain said, I know this is his last election. Captain was aware. He wanted to let exactly reason of the party from it. It should have understood from what happened in Gujarat. You had the party had to go, but had to go. At the end of the day, Captain Amrinder.
Bad line with you, Aishwarya. We have a very poor audio line with you. Aishwarya, very poor audio line with you. We'll reconnect the line with you. We'll also try and get, Manjinder Singh Sirsa on the phone line and all those leaders who are responding since this morning. But the story is getting bizarre because you had you have a situation where you had the tallest leader in Punjab, perhaps, and someone who's been looking at what's going on with the Sidhu camp. He's been talking about it. He's been silently watching. Can you believe it? He's a chief minister. There was a meeting this evening and he wasn't even told about that meeting. Arnab broke that story sometime back, confirming first about that call and then about the resignation at 4 p.m. Let's listen in.
Amrinder Singh is quitting. He is going to go straight to the governor's house after the meeting with the element and submit his resignation as chief minister. I'm not sure whether he will still remain a member of the Congress party, likely to do so, but I can confirm the news that Amrinder Singh will quit. He will formally quit around 4 p.m. today. He will be quitting as chief minister at 4 p.m. today. Right after the meeting with the MLAs, he will go to the governor's house and put in his papers as chief minister of Punjab. It's a massive crisis that has hit the Congress party. It's all over for the Congress party. Their biggest leader in Punjab, the chief minister of Punjab, is resigning at 4 p.m. today. I can confirm this. First on Republic, 4 p.m. Amrinder Singh is quitting. The tallest Congress leader in Punjab, he is saying enough is enough. The Congress party is showing no remorse. They have humiliated me. They have insulted me. And Navjot Singh Sidhu is running things in a way that are unconceivable. And this is not the deal that I had set in for. And he's going to meet the MLAs. And I can confirm to you that a furious Amrinder Singh is driving straight to the governor's house after the meeting with the MLAs and submitting his resignation as the Chief Minister of Punjab. It's a massive crisis that has now hit the Congress party. They don't know how to react to this great situation. This is breaking first here on Republic. Chief Minister of Punjab, Amrinder Singh, quitting at 4 p.m. today. There is no possibility of any reconciliation now unless the Vadra Gandhis and the Congress High Command leadership comes down. There is some kind of a rapprochement. There is going to be no change. He is putting in his papers. He will not told the rest of the media, but I have deep contacts and I'm telling you, it's all over. Amrinder Singh is putting in his papers and there is going to have to be a new hunt for a new Chief Minister of Punjab, and this is all going to happen very, very soon. Right now, 4 p.m. Amrinder Singh is quitting. I do not think there is any immediate solution that anyone can have right now unless there's going to be an outreach by the Congress party. It has to happen in the next 1 hour, otherwise he's quitting at 4 p.m. But this is now, either he's thrown in the towel, and what he's saying is, unless the Congress party does its outreach in the next half an hour, it's all over. It's all over.
Stay with the live pictures. We're getting in some live pictures and some action where Amandeep is, where Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder is meeting his supporters, his MLAs. We are told that over 40 MLAs will be present there anytime now. Action is going to unfold there. He's going to meet his supporters. Amandeep, give us the full frame, the live shot. We want to see the live shot of what's happening behind you. Amandeep, show us the frame behind you. We want to see the frame. That's Captain Amrinder's house. Show us the frame. It's going to happen anytime now. Full frame shots of the pictures. Amandeep, pictures. We are hearing that he's going to anytime now meet the governor. That's a live shot. Amandeep.
Well, exactly, Niranjan, exactly. 3 ministers are already at the residence of Captain Amrinder Singh, where from any time now, Captain can reach here just because he has
While we stay with the live shots, Amandeep, stay with me. That's a live shot of the Punjab Chief Minister's residence. We'll also show you the live shots and a picture that's coming in. Of Navjot Singh Sidhu meeting the senior Congress leaders. And Manjinder Singh Sirsa joining us on the phone line as well as the Akali Dal watches this the developments as well. We lost the phone line with Sirsa. We lost the phone line with Manjinder Singh Sirsa. We'll go across to him. That's a live shot. Live shot, exclusive pictures on Republic TV. On the left of your screen, that's a live shot from outside Captain's residence. On the right, that's Navjot Singh Sidhu and the latest pictures of the Sidhu camp. Captain's residence live, latest from Sidhu camp. Captain's residence live, latest from Sidhu camp. That's how the story is unfolding. Both sides tweeting furiously. They're tweeting furiously. Amandeep and Kritsween, they're tweeting furiously. Both of them, playing this political game. And we are hearing that Captain Amrinder is going to meet the governor after this meeting. Several cars have gone in. Amandeep telling us at least 40 MLAs will be there. And Republic TV told you first that he's going to resign at 4 p.m. Manjinder Singh Sirsa is on the phone line. Akali Dal spokesperson, senior leader of the Akali Dal, Manjinder Singh Sirsa. We are Arnab breaking the story that Captain is going to resign at 4 p.m. What's going on?
देखिए कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह 4 बजे रिजाइन करें ना करें, लेकिन उनसे रिजाइन ले लिया जाएगा. अदरवाइज ऑल्सो कांग्रेस ने कल जो परसों से अपनी स्ट्रेटजी बनाई थी, जिसकी रात तक अमरिंदर सिंह को जानकारी नहीं थी, वो यही थी कि आज सीएलपी की मीटिंग होगी. उसके अंदर एमएलए 58 एमएलए ऑलरेडी साइन करके दे चुके हैं उनके रिमूवल के लिए. तो अभी भी शायद गलतफहमी के शिकार होंगे कि ऐसा करने से ना करने से, लेकिन कांग्रेस ने अपना असली रंग आज कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को दिखा दिया. अच्छा होता अगर कांग्रेस की लॉयल्टी की बजाय अमरिंदर सिंह ने पंजाब के लोगों से लॉयल्टी निभाई होती तो शायद आज उनकी ये हालात ना बनते, लेकिन उन्होंने गांधी परिवार से लॉयल्टी निभाई और आज उनको ये खमियाजा भुगतना पड़ रहा है. सो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह का डिसीजन हो चुका है. whether he resigns, whether he doesn't resign, but he will be thrown out of the Chief Minister House by 4 p.m. today by the Congress people, and that by the Rahul Gandhi camp with the help of Navjot Sidhu and others.
He did not even know about that meeting. He did not even know about that meeting. Is it a plan to humiliate him? He did not even know about it. Is it a plan to humiliate him?
इस मीटिंग के बारे में कल दोपहर को कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने जानकारी लेने की कोशिश की, लेकिन उसकी जानकारी में कुछ भी नहीं आया। और उनके लिए शॉकिंग तब हुआ जब रात को 11:15 बजे कांग्रेस की तरफ से हरीश रावत जी ने ट्वीट करके जानकारी दी। उनको उठाया गया और बताया गया कि कल सुबह तो सीएलपी की मीटिंग है, और जबकि वो कल खुद अभी तक कैबिनेट की मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहे थे और कल कैबिनेट के फैसले ले रहे थे, और रात को उनकी कुर्सी को हटाने का फैसला पहले से बन चुका था। तो इसलिए उनकी जानकारी में ये जो अभी भी वो गलतफहमी में है कि मैं रिजाइन करने की धमकी दे, मुझे को रीच करे, रीच तो करेगा, उनको रखना चाहते होंगे तो उन्होंने यूज किया या वो यूज कर रहे हैं। Will be no more chief minister.
Captain Amrinder's visuals coming in. Manjinder Singh sir, थी Captain Amrinder का visual आ रहा है यहाँ पे। Captain Amrinder's visuals. Captain Amrinder, he's leaving his residence. Oh, he's arriving at his residence. Okay, Captain Amrinder is just arrived at his residence, and there is also a tweet and there is also a tweet. There is also a tweet of the Captain Camp Manjinder Singh sir, I want to ask you. Captain's Camp is also tweeting saying that they have the right that if people surprise you with betrayal, you have the right to shock them with due vengeance, period. Due vengeance के बारे में की बातचीत हो रही है, क्या हो रहा है मनजिंदर सिंह सिरसा जी?
देखिए, वो कुछ भी बोलते रहे, इट इज टू लेट नाउ। अगर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने यही स्टैंड पहले लिया होता कि मैं पंजाब के लोगों को चीट नहीं होने दूंगा, आप मेरे से गलत वादे करा रहे हैं और झूठे पंजाब को लोगों को बहका रहे हैं, पंजाब को मैं तो गांधी परिवार का साथ नहीं दूंगा, मैं तो पंजाब के लोगों का साथ दूंगा, तो आज हालात कुछ और होते। अब कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह का कैंप कुछ रहा नहीं है। अभी भी उनको शायद ये जानकारी नहीं है कि पिछले 2 दिनों में उनके सभी एमएलओ से कांग्रेस के बड़े लीडरों ने चंडीगढ़ में बैठ के साइन करा ली है। इनके कैंप में अब कोई नहीं हुआ। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने जो एमएलए की मीटिंग कॉल करने की कोशिश की है उसमें भी उनका फेलियर होगा, कोई एमएलए वहां पे नहीं जाएगा।
But let me go close to Amandeep as well. Big breaking news update also on Republic TV. Captain's Camp saying that they have the right to hit back. Amandeep, Vimal Sambli, I think Vimal Sambli is his name, and we know who he is. He's Captain's press secretary, right? He's a press secretary who's saying that if people surprise you with betrayal, you have a right to shock them back. Saying that we have a right to shock them back. What does that mean? Right to shock them back. BBC Mar.
Well, exactly, Niranjan. Vimal Sumli is the one who actually deals with the media handling of Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, and he sits in the Secretariat and the Chief Minister's office as well. And in fact, Vimal Sumli indicate that now it's Captain's turn to hit back Navjot Singh Sidhu's camp and show the Congress party about the strength of Captain Amrinder Singh. Just because actually Congress party has underestimated Captain's power and majority and support in the Punjab Congress, and now it's Captain's turn. Continuously, Niranjan, since before the captain arrives at the residence, the certain MLAs, ministers and leaders also, they have already arrived at the captain's residence to meet him, just because he has decided to file his resignation at 4 p.m. And this meeting is actually very crucial. Continuous movement outside captain's residence at this point in time indicates that captain has a lot of support in Punjab. He is a tall leader of Congress party in Punjab. Captain's face was the biggest face in 2017 that bring the Congress into power in Punjab, and in fact nobody else could have done it except captain. And now it's also in 2022, people are expecting Captain to be the bigger face, just because in last 4.5 years, Captain was the chief minister. He handled the pandemic situation. He handled the entire crisis. He handled the cross-border violations from the Pakistan side. Captain handles each and every single issue of Punjab. But now when his own party has lifted the trust, it was a shocking for the Captain's loyalist also, for the entire Punjab also. There was a time when the Congress...
I have that tweet with me. Amandeep, I have the tweet. Let's show the tweet on the surface. Captain Amrinder's camp hitting back, saying that if people surprise you with betrayal, they speak about betrayal, saying that if people surprise you with betrayal, you have a right to shock them back with due vengeance, period. That's the tweet. Saying that if people surprise you with betrayal, you have a right to shock them back with due vengeance, period. That's Captain's camp. That's Captain's camp saying that if people surprise you with betrayal, you have a right to shock them back with due vengeance. What's going on? That's the press secretary to Captain Amrinder saying that if people are surprising the captain with betrayal, and he's calling it betrayal because we are hearing that even the captain, Amrinder, the Chief Minister of Punjab, didn't even know. Let's go back to that tweet, and that's a live shot also coming in. Live shot, 50-50, that's captain's residence on the left, and tweet on the right of captain's press secretary saying that they have the right to hit back with due vengeance. What is due vengeance? What is due vengeance? What is shock them back? Now that's the question. What does he mean by saying we will shock them back? A lot of questions being asked. On whether captain will not just resign, but will he also quit the party? We don't know. But his own camp saying that you have a right, saying captain has a right to shock the Congress party and shock the Vadras with due vengeance, period. That's a very strong message coming in from captain's camp. Let me get into word also from Amandeep is joining us on the phone line. We'll try and he's live, and that's a live shot of captain who's just gone inside his residence. That's Captain Amrinder Singh's convoy that went in a short while back. Meeting was scheduled to begin at 2 p.m. has been delayed by a few minutes, but we are hearing that some of the MLAs had already reached. Captain's residence, and any time now he's going to resign at 4 p.m. We are hearing that he's going to resign at 4 p.m. Arnab spoke a few minutes back. I want to play that out as well. Let's play out the phono of the reaction of Arnab. In fact, he broke the story at about 1:55 p.m. when he got the news that captain would resign at 4 p.m. Let's put that out.